Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable banner notifications in the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you're looking for a way to stay updated with incoming messages without constantly opening the app, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. You can find it either on your desktop or by searching for it in your Applications folder. Once the app is launched, you'll see the familiar interface that mirrors your mobile experience. Next, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Look for the gear icon labeled Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Within Settings, navigate to the Notifications section. This tab is specifically designed to help you manage how WhatsApp alerts appear on your PC. Click on Notifications to proceed. Now, find the option labeled Show Banners Notifications. This feature controls whether banner notifications pop up when you receive a message. By default, this setting might be turned off or set to limited visibility. To ensure you never miss an important message, select Always from the available options, and that's it. You've successfully enabled banner notifications for WhatsApp on your PC. From now on, every time you receive a message, a notification banner will appear, keeping you informed without interrupting your workflow. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your WhatsApp experience. If you enjoyed this guide, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from these steps. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.